So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Whirlpool Inverter AC and that AC is getting E1 error, then how can you fix this error, and that too very easily. So let's start the video. If E1 is coming in the Whirlpool AC, then this is an error of the indoor unit fan motor. This error can come in your AC due to 3 reasons. The fan motor installed in the indoor unit. It is possible that the wire of the fan motor may have been cut by a rat. If the wire of the fan motor has been cut by a rat, then you should reconnect the wire. Then this error will be completely fixed. And if the wire of the fan motor has not been cut by a rat and still this error is coming, then you should check the connector of the fan motor in the PCB. This error also comes due to loose connection. Or if you remove the connector and reinstall it, then also this error will be fixed. And even after that, if it is not fixed, then you should check the connector of the fan motor in the PCB. Check the output supply in the connector of the fan motor. If the PCB is giving output supply, then the fan motor of your AC is completely damaged, and by replacing the fan motor, this error will be completely removed. And if the PCB is not giving output supply to the motor, then you have to replace the PCB of the indoor unit. After that, this error will be completely cured. I hope you understood the information given by me, so please like my video.